So it looks like this is gonna accomplish its mission, which I bought, you know, for traveling and having some super compact parallettes that I can take with me, because I'm tired of traveling and doing like push-ups on the hotel floor, and you know, I don't know how dirty that floor is, but you could only imagine, right? So yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it. So very minimal packaging. You unbox it and the parallettes are just right there. Looks like there's some plastic wrap. All right, yep, that's it. And here they are. Oh, they're super compact.